So mobile pet imaging provides advanced diagnostics to veterinary offices. They can contact us and we can bring this technology to provide CT scans and fluoroscopies at their facility.
As a practicing internal medicine specialist, CT scan is an important tool for me. Unfortunately, CT scans are not readily available. They were only available in some of the centers, sometimes in the city or outside the city, and also the cost of it was really high and most pet owners could not afford it. By putting the CT scan in a mobile unit, we can go to the veterinary clinics, we can charge less, and more pets can benefit.
A lot of times when we go to our veterinarian, we feel comfortable with them. We've been bringing our pet there, and sometimes when they recommend a diagnostic that you have to travel, you may not feel as comfortable, you think your pet may not feel as comfortable. Sometimes your pet is gonna get sick and it needs the diagnostics a little bit more urgent. And we could do that without having to get the pet, leave that facility, go to another facility. So I think the logistics works a lot better. We have been able to provide this imaging diagnostics to other animals in need, for example, zoos, safaris. Think about taking an alligator to get a CT scan, or a monkey, whether it's at the zoo or at another facility, and it's a lot easier for us to just come in and do what we need to do to help them.
This franchise is not only for veterinarians, even though it's in the veterinary field, but it can be for someone who wants to start franchising, and because he or she could hire a veterinarian. So when you purchase a franchise, it does include the truck, as you see in my background. The truck will come equipped with the CT scan and the fluoroscopy machine. It would also include a lot of the marketing materials that you will need to get started.
The first week, we're gonna have the interest franchisee come over to us. They're gonna experience the whole mobile pet imaging, about what we do, the different modalities. There's gonna be a little bit of classroom setting so they can understand what we're gonna be doing, and then the hands-on. Once we do that, then of course we want to travel to their location for a couple of days and make sure that everything in their mobile unit works to our standards.
As a franchisee, you're not only helping improve the quality of pet care in your community, you're also going into the animal industry, which itself is very profitable. And within the veterinary specialty world, imaging is very important and has been proven to be very, very profitable.